250 to shiny 6 right hug at the cream walls opposite the yellow sign. 250 to shiny 6 right hug at the green walls opposite the yellow sign. Shiny 6 right hug at the green walls. 100 up. 100 up the square left at the blue grey wall. Square left at the blue grey wall. And 5 right. And 5 right and short 5 left. 5 right and short 5 left. The sudden 7 right. Sudden 7 right. 40. 5 right trim 60. 5 right trim 60 to short 2 left 130. Short 2 left 130 to 1 left long. Tightens to 3 left long long at the junction falls away. 1 left long it tightens to 3 left long long at the junction falls away. 86 right. 80 to 6 right. 80. 6 right. 6 right. 130. Go 130 to short 3 left 40. Short 3 left 40. 3 right long it tightens to very shiny 5 right to gate. 3 right long it tightens to very shiny 5 right to gate. 40 to flat 1 left 300 down the middle. Flat 1 left 300 down the middle. For break early 3 left at the cream pier 60 to shiny square right around the field. Braking early 3 left at the cream pier 60 shiny square right around the field. Shiny square right around the fields. Go around the fields. 40 to 2 left 130. 2 left 130 to 3 right SIW and 3 right again. 3 right SIW and 3 right again 80. 3 right again 80 to flat 2 right 200. Flat 2 right 200. To 1 right and 2 left long long trim opens. 1 right and 2 left it's long long trim opens. The 2 lefts long long trim opens. Good 150 to shiny square left narrows water. Good 150 shiny square left narrows water. And 1 right 80. 1 right 80 to 2 left and 1 left over jump OK. 2 left and 1 left over jump OK 450. 1 left over jump OK 450. Oh, you have 450 now. You'll see it shiny square right at the big white sign at the very top. Shiny square right. See the orange arrow on the white sign. Square right shiny. Square right shiny 80. Then you have middle over crest 40. 3 right there may be mud. 80. Middle over crest 40. 3 right there may be mud on 2 left. 3 right there may be mud on 2 left 80. 2 left 80 to 1 left and 2 right long. 1 left and 2 right long 80. 1 left. 2 right long 80. 1 left circle slow and 80. 3 right narrows at the shed. 1 left circle slow and 80. 3 right narrows at the shed 80. 3 right narrows at the shed 80 to 2 left 100 down the middle. 2 left 100 down the middle for a break at 2 right. Deceptive 5 left continues. Break at 2 right and 5 deceptive 5 left continues. 130 down. You have slippy braking for chicane 4 wheel right entry. 130 down. You have slippy braking for chicane 4. Go on, go on. 4 wheel right entry. And square left with the wall outside. Square left with the wall outside. 40, 1 left. 1 left and 4 left, 4 right. 4 left and 4 right. 4 left, 4 right, 80. 4 right, 80. To 1 left, 80. 4 left at the wall. 1 left, 80. 4 left at the wall, 80. 4 left at the wall, 80 to short 3 right, you must trim 60. Short 3 right, you must trim 60 to 2 right, 80. To 2 right, 80, short 2 right, 60. Short 2 right, 60 to grippy 4 left, long, long. Grippy 4 left, long, long. It was with rugby the last time. Grippy 4 left, long, long. And 5 right, long. And 5 right, long. 5 right, long. 100. Go 100. 3 right, 100. 3 right, 100. 4 left, 100. The 4 left 100 for slot 5 right in. Slot 5 right in. Slot 5 right in. Then you 200. Go 200. For flat 2 right 80. 3 right long trim. Flat 2 right 80. 3 right long trim. 3 right long trim 250. Go 250. For flat 1 left 150. Square right around the hedge to the White House. Flat 1 left 150. To square right around the hedge to the White House. Square right around the hedge, the White House. 63 left, SIW 60. 3 left, SIW 60. 1 right 60. 1 right 60 for a circle, break at 2 left, sudden 5 right. 1 right 60, break at 2 left, circle, sudden 5 right, 100. 100, narrow square left around the wheel, SIW. Narrow square left around the wheel, SIW. 40, 2 right, 250 up the middle. 2 right, 250 up the middle. To 7 left over the junction, you can see it up there, 7 left over the junction. 7 left over the junction. Go 170. Go 170. For 1 right, 150. Good braking for a 7 right hug. 1 right, 150. There's good braking for a 7 right hug. 7 right hug. 60. 3 right long and 3 left. 60. 3 right long and 3 left. 130. And 3 left. 3 left. 130. You have one right, only 80 to 4 left. One right, it's only 80 to 4 left. It's only 80 to 4 left. On 2 left, 40 to 4 left, carry. 2 left, 40, 4 left, carry. Then 450 over the sand. 4 left, carry. 450 over the sand. Maybe Sandy braking for a 5 left hook. Maybe Sandy braking, you punted there from the yellow. 5 left hook. Oh shit. 250. 1 left, 130. 1 left, the orange arrow there, 130 to 3 right long, it tightens to short 2 left of the wall line. 3 right long, it tightens to short 2 left of the wall line. 2 left line, then you've 750 through the middle all the way up. 750 now, all the way up to the orange house. 750 through the middle to 6 left long at the orange house. 6 left long at the orange house with the wheel outside. Up at chevron, 6 left long. 6 left, it's long with the wheel outside. Go 200. Go 200. For a grip A3 right, it's long, 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 and it opens at the mirror. Grip A3 right, that's long, 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 and it opens at the mirror. Then you've 200. Then you've 200. 5 left at the wall. 5 left at the wall. Then you've 200. There's patchy braking for chicane. 5 left at the wall, 200. There's patchy braking for a brake early chicane, 4-wheel right entry. Brake early chicane, 4-wheel right entry. Patchy braking, chicane, 4-wheel right entry. Then you've 80 up to turn square right. 80 up to turn square right. Wheel outside, turn square right. I push 40. 2 left, 200. 2 left, 200. For 1 left, 80. 1 left again, 200. 1 left, 80. 1 left again, 200. For 1 right at the Lonley bush. 1 right at the Lonley bush, 150. 1 right at the Lonley bush, 150. Fast 2 right, 200. Good braking for chicane, 4-wheel right entry. Fast 2 right, 200. Good braking for 4-wheel chicane, right entry. There's your 1 board. Chicane, 4 wheels, right entry. Then 130. 130. 1 left through the dip, 80 to 2 right, grip A. 1 left through the dip, 80 to 2 right, grip A, 80. 2 right, grip A, 80 to short 2 left, 120. Short 2 left, 120. To short 2 right, trim and short 3 left. 2 right, trim and short 3 left, 80. Short 3 left again. Short 3 left again, 60. Braking 2 left, only 40. Braking narrow 5 right nips. Braking 2 left, it's only 40. Braking narrow 5 right nips, only 40 down. To big gravel on entry, hairpin left around the fields. Big gravel on the entry, hairpin left around the fields. Now it's loose all the way to the end. And 7 right, sudden hairpin left over big gravel. Hairpin left over big gravel, on 5 right. On 5 right, 100 up the middle. 100 up the middle, now 1 left at the farm, 40, 3 left, 2 right. 1 left, 40, 3 left, on 2 right, 80. 3 left, on 2 right, 80. 2 right, 1 left, line 80. 2 right, 1 left, line 80. To braking 2 left and tightens at the gap to 3 left. Braking 2 left and tightens at the gap to 3 left. And very tight sudden square left over big gravel circle. Square left over big gravel. 40, 3 right long. 3 right long. 3 rights long on middle crest, okay, 60, 3 right around the pole. Middle crest, okay, 60, 3 right around the pole. 130, 3 rights around the pole, 130. For dirty, 4 right long on 6 left. Dirty, 4 right long on 6 left into turn square right over gravel. 6 left into turn square right over gravel. Now go over the finish.
Well done, Lauren Kelly.